battle it there. But this is a $160 tonneau cover off eBay. US, so about 200 Canadian. Comes with some instructions. The deal that I got came with a touch lamp. So here I'm just grabbing the tonneau cover and walking it back to the front of the bed and putting it in spot. On the left hand side, you're gonna want to tighten it up, and also on the right hand side, tighten it up all the way, and then fold it back just like this. There's a bunch of stuff attached to it, just packaging stuff from the box. Nice so far, I gotta say, for the price. You can see all you gotta do is just put it down there and screw it in on both sides. If this is a quad fold, so you just gotta kind of get all this garbage out of the way. But it looks good, guys. I'm excited. 2023 Chevy Silverado here. Super cheap tonneau. If this lasts. Now, the only thing I'm worried about is it's gonna fade color because it's so cheap. But we'll see. Let's see if it's the right size for our box. So let's check the fit. Oh, that's mint. So we got some adjustments we can make. We can go forward. We got some room forward. We can go back, go side to side. It's universal, but it's for the bed. So this is a 6'6" bed for a 2023 Chevy, but that looks awesome. Let's get it all finished up here. Oh, that's clean. Now the only thing is it's kind of bulging a little bit. Could probably fix that. I mean, 160 bucks, guys. These are so expensive where I am. Like, so expensive. That is super clean. Like I said, it comes with this, and you can also, if you have an older truck, you can just put a lamp in there. I might do it still like at the far end of the bed. This you can actually seal your truck tailgate by the looks of it, so all the way around. I don't need it to actually like fully seal. I just want it to be like this, which is awesome. Turns out I'm actually a meatball. There's another clip here that'll sink that flush. So you got your two rear, you got two in the middle, and then you got two right at the end. That's what will make this thing seal. So I'm gonna clamp those like it's supposed to be. All right, so with this middle clamp on, you can see it's a way better fit. I was just used to the tri-fold. I didn't even see it, to be honest. My bad, but it works really good now. So guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Super quick one. Another mod done for the Silverado. Make sure if you guys wanna see more, you subscribe. We got more mods coming. I already got the next one. It's just tint for the side marker here. So that'll be the next video on this guy. It's coming along already. I do want to do a level and some wheels, obviously, but I'm just saving money right now, and I'm happy the way it is. It looks amazing. Thanks guys for watching. Link will be in the description for the tonneau, and we'll see you in the next video.